Australia has just had its warmest January on record. But in case you needed more evidence of long-term climate change, the World Meteorological Society has just confirmed that the past 4 years since 2015 have been the warmest ever recorded. The World Meteorological Organization consolidated and analysed data from 5 international datasets, finding the average global surface temperature in 2018 was around 1 degree Celsius higher than the pre-industrial baseline. In fact, the warmest 20 years on record have been during the past 22 years, but the past 4 years in particular have been exceptional. Meanwhile, a separate report by NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, has found that global carbon dioxide levels have increased 46% since the late 19th century. Carbon dioxide is the dominant factor causing global warming. The NASA-NOAA study also found that melting ice is increasing sea levels around the world. It found that while ice melts in the ocean, heat also causes water to expand. In fact, since 1880, sea levels around the world have risen approximately 203 millimetres. That's 8 inches on the old scale. Also, since 1880, scientists have been able to put together a consistent record of temperatures around the planet. It also confirmed that temperatures have increased even faster since the 1970s, all as a direct result of increasing greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Well, while Queensland struggles to clean up after record-breaking monsoon rains and deadly floods, the rest of Australia continues to experience drought conditions. The situation is now so bad that Australia's largest city, Sydney, has now activated its water desalination plant. It's the first time this has happened that's not been a trial or test. Now, a report in the journal Nature Climate Change says the lack of winter rain across the southern hemisphere is likely to continue as temperatures continue to rise. But it says the effect may be just temporary. See, scientists have found that this drying trend could start to reverse once temperatures begin to stabilise around the year 2100, even if it's warmer overall. It seems the drying trends are linked to rises in temperature rather than it just being warmer overall, and the research suggests that winter rains could return after 2100 or the year 2200, depending on how long emissions continue to rise.